In this video, we are going to see how to create a coin pair in Trademen system. I am logged in as super admin and going to click on create new coin pair under coin pair management from the menu bar, and it goes to coin pair creation form. Here I am going to select exchangeable item as Dodge and the base item as BTC. The next one is last price and setting its initial price to 0.0000305 BTC. Of course, the active status should be active to be appeared in exchange list. And you can set this coin as default by switching this is default option. Now hit create button to add this coin pair in the system. The coin pair has been created successfully. So you can go back to coin pair list by clicking on this breadcrumb link, or edit this coin pair by clicking this edit coin pair button. I'm going to change the coin's price. Let's change the 5 to 6 and update the changes. Now let's check this coin pair in our exchange dashboard. We can see the Dodge is just added in markets under BTC base with the initial price. So it's easy to add a coin pair in Trademen system.